In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Bank of America account to your PayPal account. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything runs smoothly. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. You can do this either through the PayPal app on your iPhone or Android device or by visiting paypal.com on your computer. Once there, enter your email address and password to gain access to your account. If you're logging in through the app, make sure it's up to date to ensure you have all the latest features and security updates. Upon logging in, your dashboard will appear. Here, you want to navigate to the Wallet section. You can find this easily on the bottom navigation bar, labeled simply as Wallet. This section is essential because it's where you manage all your payment methods, including linked bank accounts and credit or debit cards. Once you're in the Wallet section, look for an option that says plus add bank account and select it. This prompts you to choose Link US Bank Account. Since PayPal only allows this feature with banks in the United States, ensure you're linking an eligible account. You'll now see a list of various banks. From this list, select Bank of America. Doing this redirects you to a secure login page, which is necessary for securely linking your bank account with PayPal. PayPal secure servers ensure that your information is protected during this process. Next, you'll need to log into your Bank of America account using your online ID and passcode. It's essential that these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered this information, you'll be asked to approve access, which allows PayPal to verify your account instantly. This instant verification is a convenient feature that saves you time instead of manually entering your details. However, if you prefer the latter, PayPal does provide an option for manual linking, where you'll need to enter your routing and account numbers manually. And there you have it. Your Bank of America account should now be successfully linked to your PayPal. This setup allows you to easily transfer funds between the two accounts and use your bank account directly for PayPal transactions. If you encounter any issues during this process, double check that all your details are entered correctly. Don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal's customer service for any additional assistance or questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made linking your accounts a breeze.